My dear brothers and sisters in Christ, praise be Jesus Christ, now and forever. Today is Friday, March 13th, and we find ourselves in the most blessed time during this Lent, as well as a most challenging time in our country and in our world. Right now, everyone's health and well-being is our utmost concern. The current situation. The World Health Organization has declared the coronavirus, or COVID-19, officially a pandemic, affecting over 150 countries worldwide. Earlier this week, the Center for Disease Control and the Oregon Health Authority recommended that adults over the age of 60 and those with chronic medical conditions take special precautions, including avoiding large gatherings. Late Wednesday evening on March 11th, Governor Kate Brown announced a statewide ban on gatherings over 250 people for the next 4 weeks. Just last night, Governor Brown announced all Oregon public schools will be closed through March 31st. What does this mean to the faithful in the Archdiocese of Portland in Western Oregon? Number one, anyone 60 years or older is encouraged to consider not attending Mass, since they are the most vulnerable to this virus. They would therefore be dispensed from the obligation to attend Mass. Persons who have underlying medical issues that put them at risk, or persons with compromised immune systems, are asked not to attend Mass. They likewise would be dispensed from the obligation to attend Mass. Persons who are not feeling well, no matter how mild the symptoms, are urged not to attend Mass. They would also be dispensed from the obligation. A general dispensation is offered to anyone else in the Archdiocese of Portland who sincerely and seriously thinks they might be at risk. This dispensation may be used by anyone of any age. The faithful who are in attendance at Mass are reminded to avoid all physical contact with others and should attempt to keep a safe distance from each other. Parishes within the Archdiocese of Portland will continue to have Masses. However, they will add or restrict Mass times and communication to accommodate gatherings of less than 250 people. I encourage you to please check your local parish website or with your local parish office for more information. Regular Mass attendance is currently scheduled to begin again during Holy Week on Wednesday, April 9th. Finally, our Catholic schools will also be closed through March 31st in line with other schools in the state of Oregon. Schools have plans in place for digital and distance learning to keep the educational process of our children moving forward. Each school will communicate its plan to students and parents. I understand that this is a challenging time, and I ask you to pray for those who have been impacted around the world by the COVID-19 outbreak. I also ask for you to care for yourself and others during this time while using recommended safety precautions. Reach out to the elderly and those with chronic medical conditions to ensure they are receiving adequate food, medical care, but most importantly, your spiritual support. A simple phone call or text to let one know you are praying and thinking of them can give someone the spiritual nourishment they need right now. Also, please be patient with our pastors and parishes as they attempt to serve the faithful during this restriction. May your faith be your guiding light during these challenging times, and know that I am praying for you, and with God's grace, we will overcome and become closer through this challenging time. God bless you all.